Corpbiz.
Hello everyone, this is Yash Saxena and you are watching Corpbiz. Today we are going to talk about the BIS ISI certification for retro-reflective devices in India. So before starting, let's talk about what are retro-reflective devices. Retro-reflective material is made using tiny glass beads which reflects light directly back towards its source from a much wider angle than reflective material. Retroreflectors are used in transportation systems as unlighted nighttime roadways, waterway makers, and in numerous optical systems including lunar ranging. Some are made of relatively inexpensive plastic pieces or flexible plastic sheet, and some are made up of high-priced precision optics. Now, what is the BIS and ISI certification scheme? ISI is the short form for the Indian Standards Institute. ISI is the certificate scheme under the BIS, Bureau of Indian Standards, which confirms that a product withstands the BIS standards, which ensures safety. BIS ISI certificate allows you to use the standard mark. Since 1955, the ISI mark has been the standard compliance mark for industrial products. This mark ensures that the BIS, National Standards Body in India, that confirms that the item is credible and secure is laid. Under the BIS ISI certificate, 346 plus items require a BIS ISI certification mandatorily. Without that, the manufacturer would not be able to produce and sell products in India. There are some benefits of the BIS ISI certification for the retro-reflective devices in India. Let's have a look at them. Legal benefits. BIS ISI certification offers legal benefits to manufacturer as it allows the manufacturer to manufacture the products covered under the mandatory list. Also, it prevents you from legal issues like fines, debarment, or both, which the manufacturer could face if they fail to obtain the BIS ISI certification for the compulsory products. Provide competitive advantage. As mentioned, BIS ISI certified product signifies the exemplary quality of the product that provides manufacturer with competitive edge, because a customer always prefers a certified product. However, an uncertified product can obtain magnificent sales overnight, but it lacks quality, unlike certified products. Still, if an uncertified product fails to satisfy the customer, this will eventually affect your revenue. On the contrary, a BIS ISI certified products give you an edge over your competitors by ensuring high quality product. Hence, it could result in a high revenue. Market benefits. Having the BIS ISI certificate will provide a market benefit over uncertified goods, such as unchallenging and uninterrupted production of goods. Not only that, but the BIS ISI certificate verifies that your goods have been manufactured by following proper standards that ensure safety. Market access. A certified product gives wider market access because it signifies better quality and conformity of following safety standards and the customer security. A product with the standard mark or ISI mark would be more trustworthy and credible, hence would be in a good demand compared to uncertified products. This will give you wider market access. Now let's move on to the documents required for this certification. The legal identity of the establishment, that is partnership deed, GST certificate, certificate of incorporation, etc. Submit the product or component drawing if applicable. Flowchart process, including all the manufacturing process, details regarding in-process control of each stage and including outsourced stages too. The in-house testing report of the product sample. A layout plan that indicates the map of location, considerable manufacturing equipment or laboratory. List of test equipments. A list includes details of raw materials used and a replica of test certificate. Information on manufacturing machinery, list of quality testing person and copies of qualifications, certificates of quality control personnel. Documents of brand trademark, factory location plan from nearby railway station, airport, landmark, and guidance regarding how to reach the BIS office. You have to provide an undertaking declaration. As we have discussed the documents, let's move on to the procedure to obtain them. Like always, we have divided the procedure into a few simple steps. Step 1, the application form must be filled out. Step 2, a factory audit will be conducted to assess manufacturing infrastructure, quality control, production process, and testing capabilities. Step 3, product samples will be drawn from testing in a third-party laboratory during an inspection. Step 4, to review the test report of the product sample will be used. And step 5, finally an applicant can obtain the BIS ISI certification if the applicant's product complies with the standards. All manufacturers, foreign entities, and importers must obtain BIS ISI certification if their products fall under the scope of BIS Conformity Assessment Scheme. If the product fails to meet certification requirements, the BIS may revoke this certificate. So, this was all about the topic, and for more such content, keep watching Corpbiz. This is Yash Saxena signing off.